Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about Excel VBA Nested IF. We will learn how to use Nested IF. Nested IF allows you to place one if statement inside another, enabling your VBA code to handle multiple levels of logic testing. So let's check this with an example. So in this example, we will check if the value in cell A1 is greater than 50. Then we have to say good, and if it is greater than 80, we have to say excellent. So let's do this with an example. We will write the code. So let's start writing the code. If range A1 dot value is greater than 50, then if range A1 dot value is greater than 80, then message box else message box and if and if. So here we have given two if statements. Let's do some indenting. And so we are having two if statements, in which first is saying that if the value is greater than 50, then check if the value is greater than 80. If it is more than 80, then message box of excellent should be popped, else message box of good should be popped. So ending the first if and after that ending the second if. So let's check this with an example. Let's put 60 and running this code. It's saying good because it is less than 80. Let's put 90 and check the nested if. It's saying excellent. In this case, we have checked two conditions by putting two ifs, one within the other. So in this video, we learned how to use a nested if, how to work its syntax, and how to use it with practical VBA examples. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel.